Hi, I'm Miss O, and I'm very passionate about computer science and making it accessible for both students and teachers. And I have outstanding results for preparing students and making sure that they're able to access um, and achieve really good computer science results, meaning that students who potentially were not going to even get a pass even were able to bring their grades up significantly. Okay, how we were able to achieve these with these skill sets I have, it's very heavily focused on having resilience and making sure that you start off as you mean to go on, especially as the majority of you would have started now as the full academic year has kick-started. Um, Not only based on my experience, as well as making sure that students have achieved outstanding results across the UK, focus on and they have achieved, because computer science is for everybody, more than achievable, but you need to start as you mean to go on. I recommend everybody accessing. I'm not getting paid for this. It's no commission or anything like that, but please get yourself or ask your school, ask if the school can purchase one on your behalf. If not, they're around £6, £5 second hand, or around £10 if you purchase online. They are literally golden, absolutely golden to have. And you will have revision in here, practice in here. You'll have exam papers. You'll have two exam papers in here. It'll take you through um, all of paper one and all of paper two. And you, like I said, you'd have exam questions in here. This is key. So there's that one. And you have this also, this one, GCSE OCR Computer Science. This is, again, it's paper one, paper two. Although I am heavily focused, because that's what I taught, which was OCR, there's not much difference to be had between AQA and OCR. Some of the key terminologies, key wordings can change and can differ. I've also got this one, which again, this is really good. And I've also got this one as well. But this one is the one I suggest all my students to have. Everybody must have one of these. Again, like I said, I'm not getting paid for it. It's the book, okay? Computer science, we're not going to say is easy, but it's achievable for everybody. So everybody can achieve it. I mean, my son's currently gone on to do his, and not because I'm like a whiz or in relation to computer science, but I just think it's so achievable and it's so needed for the our future, regardless of whatever profession you intend to go into. It's very relevant. But this CGP, some of you will be familiar with it with your maths or your science subjects, but they have a computer science one, and this is golden. There's no failure at all with this book. You are coming away, trust me, you're going to come away with your GCSE with this book. Okay, it's very heavily as well, because obviously it's got so much content to go through, and obviously depending on how your school's structured, you're going to have things what are going to interrupt your learning and absences for whatever reason. But it's really important that you keep in tune with your teacher, and make sure that you're accessing your work. And if you're not well for whatever reason, or the teacher's not in for whatever reason, you're accessing your own learning through this. I mean, you could have, I don't know, a lesson on binary, paper one, you do your work in class and whatever being asked of you, then you go home and you go through your book. Don't leave it till when you get into year 11, or don't leave it until you've got mocks. You go into your book and then you complete the questions, and then you'll have each unit, you'll have exam questions at the end, and you can check your answers throughout, okay, and then bring that back to your teacher. And if you've got any further questions, you can have there. But please get them on eBay secondhand. You can get them on Amazon, you can get them online directly from there. these books, this, you know, yes, I would like to take all the credit for, you know, them being amazing and, you know, my 100% pass rate within my subject. However, it's underlining the key concepts first and taking accountability. It's really important to take accountability and have the resilience within, because we've got to remember as well, paper 2, computational thinking, is very heavily focused on programming, but that currently, unless your school's trialing the new trial where it's going to be on computers, we were going to be doing it on paper. So you need to be able to transfer that knowledge of programming and putting it down onto paper. Okay, so thank you. Please subscribe and follow me for more tips, because we will be able to achieve this together.